Hello. So we're now gonna finish test 1 on question number 8. So question number 8 states you are taking a turn at 30 meters per second on a ramp of a radius of 25 meters. What is your acceleration? So I like to draw these things up. So we have here a circle smack down in the middle, and we know the radius of this is 25 meters. To answer this question, you basically just have to know the formula for acceleration of a circle. So for that is the acceleration is going to be A is going to be your velocity. Where's this? It's going to be your velocity squared over your radius. That's going to give us our acceleration. So just basically plug it in. We're given taking a turn at 30 squared over our radius, which is 25. When we do that, we get 900 over 25. When you divide these two values, you end up with 36. So that is our answer, is 36 meters per second squared. So our answer to this question would be option C. Thank you.